These are the headlines for today evening. Bitcoin trades weak after brief withdrawal pause at Binance. Binance integrates Lightning Network to help clear Bitcoin transaction backlog. Crypto options exchange Deribit's Ether volatility index hits record low. Argentina's payment apps can no longer offer crypto. DAO passes proposal to deploy on Ethereum Layer 2 Metaverse network. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets plummeted as investors stay cautious ahead of key inflation data scheduled later in the week. Ruchi Sharma joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 2% at 38,300 points. In an interesting news, the cryptocurrency market witnessed $120 million in liquidations in the past 24 hours, with long positions accounting for 70% of all liquidated orders. However, the liquidation of long positions indicated that investors have been positive towards the continued rise of meme coins, analysts said. Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization and trading volume, sets another record with block 788695 as transactions on its blockchain network spiral out of control. Miners were seen to have profited highly as transaction fees contained in block 788695 surpassed the block subsidy. This will be the second occurrence for the Bitcoin network where transaction fees contained in a block are greater than the block subsidy. How this impacts the price of Bitcoin as well as other coins today, let's understand from the technical analyst Ashish Bondele.
Bitcoin has broken the symmetric triangle and the price is now trading below it. The next support zone is expected to be in the range of $27,000 to $27,500. It is highly likely that we may see a potential test of this area fundamentally. 722 banks reported unrealized losses exceeding 50% of their capital. BRC20 is a new experimental fungible token built on the Bitcoin network using the Ordinals protocol. Personally, my view is that sideways to bearish market.
Thank you, Mr. Bondele. We also witnessed a similar view expressed by an analyst on a social media platform, Twitter.
Big news for all the BTC enthusiasts out there. BTC just broke down the channel and likely to touch the QML soon, which could lead to a downward movement. It's highly probable that the BTC could touch the next channel bottom as well.
Interestingly, LidoDAO, the most well-known liquid staking platform, which lets users participate in staking on a variety of POS networks, recently completed its largest network transaction in 2 years. According to data analytics firm Sentiment, $135 million in LDO tokens were transferred from one self-custody wallet to another. Additionally, the recent cash outs by the Ethereum Foundation and Vitalik Buterin led to growing concerns in the overall stability of the cryptocurrency market, analysts believe. The global cryptocurrency market cap hovered around the $1.15 trillion mark, decreasing 3.4% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volumes increased by 3.2% to $36 billion. Meanwhile, as meme coins hog the limelight, crypto majors are seeing a fairly flat trade activity. Last week, Pepe and other meme coins were on the roll. Experts believe that the meme coins could trigger market-wide rally in the near term. Markets are significantly poised to make higher moves given the low volatility. According to an analysis by research firm CryptoQuant, the largest cryptocurrency exchange, Binance, shifted Bitcoin worth nearly $4.4 billion across its digital asset wallets in the past weekend. US stock futures traded flat as investors looked ahead to key inflation data to be released later in the week. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average lost 10 points, while S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 futures were flat. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 2.5%, trading at $1,857. BNB was down by 2% to trade at $317. Solana SOL was down 3.4% and was trading at $21.2. Cardano's ADA token was down by 3% to trade at $0.36. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $15.8, lower 4.4%. Polygon Network's ZK EVM rollout has witnessed an increase in the total value locked. There is a spike in on-chain activity on the Matic network, and experts expect this to fuel a recovery in the asset's price. Based on data shared by Polygon in a recent tweet, there are over $5 million in assets on the network. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 2.9% at $0.074. Shiba Inu was trading down by 4.2%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.43, down by 4.8%. Polkadot was down by 3.8% to trade at $5.4.
Thank you, Ruchi, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. On May 7th, Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange, suspended Bitcoin transactions. It cited network congestion and stated that it was working on a fix. A couple of hours later, the company reported that transactions had resumed again. However, on May 8th, Binance suspended Bitcoin withdrawals again due to the large volume of pending transactions. To prevent a similar reoccurrence in the future, our fees have been adjusted. We will continue to monitor on-chain activity and adjust accordingly if needed, Binance said in a tweet. Our team has also been working on enabling BTC Lightning Network withdrawals, which will help in such situations. The price of Bitcoin continues to drift downward and is now at $27,981, now down 3.16% in the last 24 hours. The downtrend in leading crypto options exchange Deribit's forward-looking Ether Volatility Index continues amid macroeconomic uncertainties and the Pepe coin frenzy that has boosted demand for the Ethereum network. The DVOL index, which calculates Ether's annualized 30-day implied volatility or expectations for price turbulence over the next 4 weeks, fell to a record low of 51 over the weekend, according to digital assets data provider Amber Data. The implied volatility is calculated based on Deribit's options order book. The index peaked above 150 following FTX's collapse in early November and has been falling ever since. The record low comes nearly 4 weeks after Ethereum implemented the long-awaited Shanghai upgrade, de-risking the passive investing strategy of staking coins in the Ethereum network in return for rewards. Bitcoin's DVOL has declined from 74 to 51 of late, but remains above the lifetime low of 41.95 in January. Deribit, which accounts for nearly 90% of the global crypto options trading activity, launched the Bitcoin and Ether DVOL indices in early 2021. The Central Bank of Argentina has issued a new rule that prohibits payment providers from enabling crypto transactions on their platforms. The bank claims that this measure is aimed at reducing the exposure of country's payment system to digital assets which are not regulated by any national authority. The rule applies to both payment fintechs and financial institutions that offer payment accounts. This decision could have a significant impact on the local crypto industry, which has been growing rapidly amid the economic crisis and hyperinflation in Argentina. Lending protocol Aave will deploy its version 3 on the Ethereum Layer 2 ecosystem Metis network following an overwhelmingly positive community vote that concluded over the weekend. A community vote on Aave's governance forum saw 100% of all voters signal support for the move. No voter was against the move. Aave's deployment on Metis is set to increase market liquidity for both ecosystems while allowing Metis users to benefit from borrowing and lending features of Aave, such as earning rewards for providing token liquidity to the platform. Metis gained traction during the previous bull cycle for its capability to allow users to transact on Ethereum for cheap fees with faster transactions. It has since lost ground to networks such as Optimism and Arbitrum, which today hold billions of dollars worth of tokens and enjoy vibrant ecosystems, compared to just $40 million held on Metis. The network will offer 100,000 native Metis tokens as a liquidity mining incentive for Aave users on the network that will be distributed over a 6-month period. And now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on the buzzing stocks of the day.
Pepe, the cryptocurrency linked with an internet meme depicting a green anthropomorphic frog, had a huge drop on May 6th after its price had more than doubled the previous day following rumors that it will be listed on Binance and other cryptocurrency exchanges. On May 5, the price of Pepe reached a new record high before profit-taking began, with the price falling nearly 100% on May 6th, below the previous day's highs, until investors once again bought the drop. In the last 7 days, it has climbed by 362%. Pepe has also restored its $1 billion market cap, which had fallen short after the recent price drop. According to CoinMarketCap data, Pepe is the 44th largest cryptocurrency with a current market cap of $1 billion. Meanwhile, Pepe's trading volume has dropped 59% in the last 24 hours. The incredible ascent of Pepe, while the Pepe price has climbed dramatically in the 3 weeks since its inception, the likelihood of a sustained price increase in the future days and weeks remains undetermined. However, Pepe's market valuation has dropped from $1 billion to $9.5 million in the last 24 hours and was trading at 5.10% down in the same time frame. According to Sentiment, the DeFi staking system Lido DAO has just completed its largest network transaction in 2 years. According to the renowned on-chain analytics firm, on May 5th, $135 million in Lido tokens were transferred from one self-custody wallet to another. According to Sentiment, this transaction moved 70 million Lido tokens, making it the network's greatest coin transfer since June 2021 and the 8th largest transfer of all times. Lido DAO is the most well-known liquid staking platform, letting users to easily participate in staking on a variety of POS networks like as Ethereum, Polygon, Polkadot, Solana, and Kusama. That said, the Lido whale transaction that occurred earlier today may have drawn much attention to the network. However, this is yet to elicit any positive price effect on the token. Lido was trading at $1.73, down 6.62% in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $1 billion. Binance Futures launched a new perpetual contract for Floki Inu, a meme cryptocurrency inspired on the Shiba Inu dog breed and a competitor to the popular Shiba Inu token on Friday. The perpetual contract, which provides up to 20x leverage, went live on May 6th at 4:30 p.m. UTC. This decision lends even more credibility to the meme-based cryptocurrency, which has grown in popularity and market value. Perpetual contracts are sort of a derivative product that allows traders to buy or sell an underlying asset, in this case a Floki Inu, without regard to when the contract will expire. These contracts closely track the asset's spot price, allowing either long or short positions with leverage. Funding rates are transferred between long and short positions on a regular basis, often every 8 hours, to keep the contract's price near to the spot price of the underlying asset. Even though there is no expiry date, this technique assures that the perpetual contract price remains consistent with the actual asset value. Floki Inu was trading 2.54% down in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $3 million.
Thank you, Shikha. Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more such updates, please like, share and subscribe to 3.0 TV.